Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 7, Subject English, Chapter 1, Part 2. Page number 2. Listening and speaking focus. Read the following dialogue and discuss its idea. Asad, how do you spend your free time? Ijaz, I prefer reading poetry in my free time. Asad, why do you read poetry? Ijaz, I have a lot of interest in poetry. Do you like it too? Asad, no, I don't. I like to read newspaper articles. Ijaz, do you read storybooks? Asad, yes, I often read bedtime stories. Ijaz, that's great. So in this dialogue, Asad and Ijaz are talking to each other and they are discussing about their interest. Asad is asking to Ijaz about the activity which he does in his leisure time. So one is interested in poetry and second is interested in reading newspaper article. So the discussion is about leisure time. Moving to the next question, on same page, comprehension focus, answer the following questions. Question number 1. When does the poet have to get up in winter? So the answer is the poet have to get up at night in winter. Second question, why does the poet not like going to bed in summer? The answer is the poet do not like to go to bed in summer as he want to play. Third question, what does the poet experience in summer lying in bed? The answer is the poet experience in summer lying in bed that grown-ups are still awake and he is forced to sleep. Next question, do you experience the same feeling as the poet does? Yes. The answer is yes. Share your experience. So the answer of this question is, this poem is very much like or near to my feelings when my parents asks me to go to bed early in summer days. I also feel very unlikely to sleep or to go to bed so early. So the next question is, read the main idea of the poem. So the main idea is, let me read it for you. The main idea of the poem is that the seasons after children's life, the poet wants to tell us that he can't enjoy the beauty of nature because the sun rises late in the winter and sets early. On the other hand, the sun rises early in summer and sets late, and being a child, he has to follow certain rules. In fact, he expresses his feelings of sorrow because he finds it unfair to get up and sleep too early in the summer. So moving to the next page, page number 3, gapped summary. Read the following mind map to fill in the gaps of a summary. So we have 6 steps of gap summary. Let me read it for you. Read the text carefully to get an idea. सबसे पहले टेक्स्ट को पढ़ें, उसमें से आइडिया हासिल करने के लिए. सेकंड वन, रीड सेंटेंसेस इन द ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट एंड ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई द गैप्स। फिर इसमें से गैप्स को तलाश करें। एंड थर्ड वन इज़ स्टार्ट विद द ईजीएस्ट गैप, और जो गैप तलाश किए हैं उनमें से सबसे आसान गैप से जो है वो समरी स्टार्ट करें। फोर्थ वन इज़ फोकस ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच नीडेड टू फिल द गैप, और उस पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के ऊपर फोकस करें जो कि इस गैप को फिल करने के लिए ज़रूरी है। एंड फिफ्थ वन, ट्राई आउट डिफरेंट चॉइसेस ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड्स फॉर ईच गैप, और हर गैप के लिए जो हमारे पास जो डिफरेंट चॉइसेस हैं वो उन चॉइसेस को यहाँ पे पुट करने की कोशिश करें। एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ रीड द टेक्स्ट टू चेक इफ़ द गैप्स आर प्रॉपर्ली फिल्ड, और टेक्स्ट को दोबारा एक दफ़ा पढ़ लें ये देखने के लिए कि तमाम गैप्स जो है वो एंटरटेन हो गए हैं। मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंप्लीट the given gapped summary of the poem Bed in Summer. So this is the fourth question. We have word bank as sun, England, sunset, unhappy. Let me fill the blanks for you. The main theme is the season in England where the poet lives affect children's daily activities. In winter, the sun rises late, while in summer it sets late. The poet is unhappy because he doesn't get enough time to play. He has to get up early before sunrise in winter, and he has to go to bed before sunset in summer. Moving to next